Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The role of a place of worship is imperative in their example as a show of God's majesty. For example, mosques have grown as a forum for communities to worship God or consciously. Still, they are another function of mosque, namely social function and even a place of learn of religious teaching. One of the religious teaching is about the importance of maintaining morals or ethics. With the challenge of climate change, the house of worship can be a place of learning about environmentally friendly building and collective awareness of nature as God's creation. It is the time, for example, for a villagers or community to get environmental and climate change sermons because the climate crisis is becoming a reality. Some mosques have sunk in Jakarta and the north coastal of Java because there has been a rise in sea level. And because of that, worshippers can no longer perform prayer or salat. Every Friday, the sermon reminds us of two things that are always mentioned in every Friday sermon. Inna Allah ya'murukum bil adli wal ihsan. Indeed, God commands you to do justice and do good. So there is two important messages in every Jum'ah that the khatib or prayer message to worshipper. One, the necessity of doing justice, al-adl. Second, the necessity of doing good, al-ahsan. In the book Last Generation that I wrote, I explained that the Quran gives a message that humans should maintain balance or al-mizan and then do not disrupt harmony of the earth. God made exact measurement al-qadr and size of each his creation. We are talking about planetary boundaries and exceeding global emission that will disrupt atmospheric condition, that the temperature tend to increase up to 1.5 to 2 degrees globally. And now, even it is less than 1.5 degrees Celsius. We have felt many natural disasters that we experience because climate anomalies. People lost their homes and their even famine because of food and water crisis. With Ummah for Earth and within the role of places of worship as center of education and best practices, we are supporting the Eco-Islamic Boarding School or Eco-Pesantren program. The program is strategy to improve the quality of Islamic education, to create a green, independent, and environmentally friendly Islamic boarding school communities. We are currently working with 50 registered schools with 76,000 students in Indonesia. Al Eco-Pesantren school program have place of worship or mosque within their infrastructure and curriculum. They synergize Islamic religious teaching and science about nature and the environment to answer the challenge that facing in our planet. One focus of the program is set to spark an renewable energy revolution. Renewable energy solutions are being piloted in Pesantren Darul Afkar in Ujung Kulon, Banten, just 3 weeks ago, and will be rolled out in all boarding schools. Schools are ideally suited to solar energy as their strategy usage in highest during school hour, during the day of when the sun is shining. It is hoped that young generation of Muslims will grow, will have the ability to realize the message of Islam, which bring grace and harmony and balance for al-mizan of resource on this earth. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Thank you.